Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we want to cook honey chicken, but before we start the project, we will introduce ourselves. First, my name is Gibran as a leader. Second, my name is Poppy as a member.
Third, my name is Arsya as a member.
Fourth, I'm Dhia as a member.
5, I'm helsyi as a member.
And the last 6, my name is Nabil, I is a member.
Here are the ingredients are needed. First, chicken fillet, eggs, flour salsa.
Next, seasoning ingredient: 1 garlic, 2 onion, 3 ground pepper.
Fourth, sesame oil. Fifth, salty soy sauce. Sixth, oyster sauce.
7, tomato sauce or ketchup. 8, hot sauce. 9, honey.
10 oil, 11 sesame. And the cooking tools is 1 portable stove, 2 iron and wooden spatula, 3 cheese grater, and the last is frying pan.
The steps for marinating chicken are as follows. First, break 1 egg. Followed by pour of 1 teaspoon ground pepper. Next, add the chicken fillets. Then, stir it gently. The last step is pouring of 1 tablespoon flour. And don't forget to mix it together.
To make the sauce, pour in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. 3 tablespoons of honey. 'Then stir until evenly mixed.
A few moments later.
Add the salsa flour. Then add the chicken until evenly mixed. And then put the chicken until evenly mixed. Then put in a clean bowl.
Next, coat the chicken with the free only golden brown.
The final step is to add a nut butter, the salt, the garlic, and onions. After that, add the French chicken until browned. Then add the sauce that we mixed earlier. Then stir until all the chicken has been coated in the sauce.
How to make a fruit salad. First, we prepare the ingredients, namely strawberries, grapes, apples, yogurt, cheese, and jelly. Second, wash the fruit and dry it. Third, cut the fruit into small pieces. Fourth, put the fruit that has been cut into a container and then pour in the jelly. 5. Pour the yogurt into the container containing the fruit and jelly. Lastly, sprinkle with grated cheese. Fruit salad is ready to be enjoyed.